Hi guys, welcome back to Xn Yung, and today we're going to talk about 3 ways to be richer advanced edition. Let's go. The first way is to buy individual stocks. In the previous videos, beginner edition and intermediate edition, I've talked about those steps, but then after you do those steps, then you should start to buy individual stocks. So how you buy this? You open a brokerage account and you buy the stock. You can start with blue chip stocks first. These are those with very high market cap. Yung usually talks about these individual stocks and goes in depth on how much the stock, whether it's valuable or not, and whether you should buy it or not. So do subscribe to Xn Yung to learn more. Then the second way is to buy property, right? Why property, right? Because property is an asset when you buy and rent it out. And property has many ways for you to earn from it. One thing is because property is a leverage product. You as a borrower, you borrow money from the bank. So most of it is other people's money, bank's money, right? You borrow property, buy the property, take a 90% loan or a 75% loan, then you rent it out. When you rent the property out, the tenant pays the rental, and then you pay your mortgage and your MCST fees, your maintenance fees and everything. The property then becomes an asset. You earn it from the leverage, you earn also from the rental, and you will also earn from the principal amount of the borrowed amount, and finally you will earn from the capital appreciation of the property. So behind me is a property. It's People Park Complex in Singapore. There are literally millionaires staying in this property itself, either staying in or landlords of this property, because each unit costs about $1 million. And when this property was first built, it's in the 1970s, these owners buy these units, it's around only like less than $100,000, right? So within a span of 50 years, this property has already 10x or some even 20x the amount that is bought previously. Okay, that is capital appreciation for you. Now the third thing is to buy life insurance. So why I say should buy insurance? Because in the moment that you have a very big amount of asset, let's say a property itself, a unit that costs, let's say, $1 million, if anything were to happen to you as the borrower, at least insurance can cover up whatever the amount that you borrowed. Okay, and a good advice is, if you borrow a property of $1 million, you also have a life insurance of $1 million. So this way, your next of kin or your family can benefit if, let's say, something would happen, instead of, they trying to pay off the mortgage, or they can't afford the mortgage and the property will be foreclosed by the bank. The property will then be paid off by the insurance and be passed on to your next of kin or your family, right? So it's a much more better outcome that way. Okay, so that's all guys. Hope you guys like this video. Buy individual stocks, buy property, and buy life insurance. That's all guys. See you guys in the next one.